Riding the Boost again today. Just tossing some new ski rubbers in. These ones were toast. Meandering through the trees here. Working our way up to the Alpine. What's going on? Day 22 here. We're up on the mountain. Just below freezing. 0 in the valley. The sun is shining. It looks like it's going to be a pretty beautiful day again. Right with the same crew as yesterday, plus Jason and Cody. We're just waiting at the end of the single track here now, and then we'll kind of work our way through the Alpine. See what we find, but since we've got some guys out with us today that like to send it, we'll probably get into a little bit of jumping, and I'm not sure what else. Should be a good day though.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies.
Surprising there's not more tracks, huh?
Yeah.
Visibility is okay.
Could have been like...
I didn't think it'd be that much different. We'll swap sleds now and we'll try it. I do have my tunnel bag on there though. Yeah. Ah, that snowball didn't work. I had a bad start there. The brake was on and I forgot. Oh, I hit my chest on the kill switch. Trying to get over the bars. I'm definitely a lot faster on the Polaris when I'm on it versus Mike because he's heavier. So there's no doubt the Polaris is the faster snowmobile, but it almost seemed like whatever snowmobile I was riding was the faster snowmobile. I don't know if that's just because I'm lighter or what. But I also did have a terrible start on the Skidoo every single time, basically. That wasn't on purpose. Maybe Mike was just jumping the gun. But that was just for fun. Honestly, the head-to-head race doesn't really mean much. The Polaris has more horsepower, so, you know, it is expected to win. Another quick race, we'll throw the 165 turbo in the mix. God damn it! Got a little squirrely there off the start. I wasn't letting up. Yeah, I almost hit you, and then I swerved to him, almost hit him, and I had to let off. Made it out to the cabin here. There's some guys that actually stayed the night there. That'd be kind of cool to do. You get all this all this to yourself. Bring all the gas up. What's going on there?
Oh, that's why you gotta separate.
It doesn't look too good.
Clickety clack.
I don't like changing things.
Dad, what'd you cook us up here today?
Some vegetable stew.
Yeah. I don't know if that's what it looks like. What's going on, Jason?
National Park.
I'll show you.
Oh yeah.
You'll show me?
Right over your camera. My naturally aspirated makes too much horsepower and it blows the pipe apart.
Had some lunch, now we're gonna drop down into the trees. But we got 10 guys, so it might get a little hectic. Should we drop? Bye-bye! Woo! Sorry guys, I did not make you guys the nicest line. Ooh, no line there. No! Why did I do that? Oh, I hear some swearing down there.
Yeah, there's a bunch of swearing and a really angry purple Polaris over there.
That's weird.
Cody!
Mike here's got the fancy drone, flies itself. We'll see if it can fly in the trees.
It's pretty tight in here. Let's see how she does.
That's so weird. All we have to do is disappear into the trees to get some blue sky. Turning into a beautiful day.
Deeper in than it looks. Oh shit, drone lost me.
Is it just gonna land there or what?
Like it. I'm surprised he's seen it.
It is too.
It's like, fuck it, I'm out.
That's perfect. Look at that, there's the Ontario boys.
Oh, holy cow.
It looked good.
I was like worried. It looked good.
Oh yeah, I liked it.
You liked it. I'm like sideways, like, and it's like front end's passing the back, or back end's passing the front end. I'm like, no.
So what? Ah, there's a fun one. Straight up. Out pulling the 165. Cody's shaking his head. He's woo, it's cold up here. Didn't burn as much gas as we thought again, eh? Every time we bring gas, we end up not using it. Every time we don't bring gas, we need it. Did I tell you what people online think being a Jerry means? Hauling the jerry can around for me.
Really?
Had another wicked day out here today. We got a little bit of a later start, so it wasn't a super long day. But it was a good one. Did a little bit of everything. That's it for today's video, guys. As always, thanks for watching. I thought that drone video from today turned out pretty sweet. Well, some of it. Some of it looked really robotic and weird and kind of jittery, but I just cut that stuff out and you guys just see the good stuff. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed and we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.